You won't believe this, because this gun doesn't fire bullets, yet it still scares people more than some real firearms. So what makes it so unique? This is Alar-MO, a high-pressure air device developed in Germany as a safe and legal alternative to restricted blank-firing pistols. Instead of ammo, it uses air cartridges pressurized up to 200 to 300 bar. When you fire it, that compressed air bursts out instantly, creating a powerful shock blast effect. But here's the truth, it's non-lethal. It can't destroy objects, and it's definitely not the world's most dangerous air gun.